You're watching the Molecule mattress unboxing video. Molecule mattress is very interesting because they have some interesting people in their team, like neuroscientists and Tom Brady. I am really curious to try the Molecule mattress. So the next video is going to be the Molecule mattress review video. In detail, I'm going to let you know what you should know about this mattress. Get ready and let's go unbox the Molecule mattress, and I'll see you guys at my site girlonthemattress.com for the detailed full review of Molecule mattress. One more thing, if you want to join the monthly giveaway, like this video, subscribe this YouTube channel, and write in the comment below what is your favorite number. Guys, first impression, this mattress Molecule is very comfortable. So just because it's comfortable, it doesn't mean, and I can't see it and I can't say it yet, is it also sportive enough? Because some mattresses are comfortable but then they don't have the sport layers enough, and it doesn't help you to sleep better because you wake up painfully. So this is very comfortable. It feels so good. It's literally like I lay down and I just wanted to lay down like 30 minutes, 1 hour, and I know I'm gonna wake up refreshed because it feels like it. But I didn't sleep yet. This is just after unboxing. It's like clouds, literally like clouds. Oh god. This is definitely good for side sleepers. I can see that. Like, you know, all these curves are. No smell at whatsoever. Guys, no smell at all. I mean, if there was a little bit of unboxing smell, it would be okay, but there's no smell with this Molecule.